Hello there, first grade authors. It's Mrs. Davis here with your writing lesson for today, Friday, April 30th. Your goal today you will make a table of contents and glossary for your informational text. Now we've done this before, so this will be a quick lesson, but the first step is to organize your pages in order from introduction, each page of your writing, to your closing. So this friend organized their pages that they had worked on. They started off with an introduction page, where their animal lives, and then on to what their animal eats. They did number the pages at the bottom there. Unfortunately, Ms. Davis cut it off there on the slide. But as you can see, my favorite animal, that first page, they've numbered page 1. That will be the first page after their table of contents. Where horses live, page 2. And what horses eat, page 3. We're going to do a little more than that friend in the example did, though. So remember, for your table of contents, you want to use your headings from your pages. If you have forgotten to put headings on your pages, please make sure you go back and do that before your final draft. We want to make sure that you have a heading at the top of your page to tell your reader what that page will be all about. Great nonfiction text features, right? So here's an example of a table of contents page that you can print out and write on. It has spots for you to write those headings and then over to the page number. That's why it's so important that we get our pages in order and organized and then number the pages. So for Ms. Davis, I have my introduction, a penguin's habitat, a penguin's diet, interesting facts, and then my conclusion. And I could even add my glossary at the end there, but I'll do that next time. Then I went through and numbered the pages to match up with the order of my pages in my book. So my introduction is the first page, that's page 1. Penguin's habitat is my second page, page 2, and so on. All right, the next task is to work on a glossary. Remember, a glossary is another great tool for nonfiction books, and that's exactly what we're working on, those informational texts. So when you're looking for words to include in your glossary, you probably should reread your writing and choose 3 interesting words that you want to draw the reader's attention to. If we go back to our book on giraffes, the author wanted us to notice the word Africa, fur, and herd. Once they chose those 3 words, the author looked up a definition or came up with a friendly definition of their own, telling what those words mean. That way, as we're reading the text, we can use that definition in the glossary to help us better understand the word. So they said Africa is the second biggest piece of land in the world. Fur is the short hair of an animal, and herd is a large group of animals that live together. And last, of course, we want to place your glossary at the end of your book. Remember, that's where we find a glossary. I also included this example had images, pictures to go along with the definition. So another idea for you. All right, authors, so remember your goal today. Today you will create a table of contents and a glossary for your informational text about your animal. I'll have those linked in the slideshow if you'd like to print out a copy of them. And since it's Friday, don't forget, upload images of your writing from this week. You should have an introduction, 3 pages of writing. We talked about their diet, habitat, and interesting facts. A conclusion, a table of contents, and a glossary. We also had a lesson all about illustrations, so I'm looking forward to seeing some great illustrations. All right, authors, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. Bye.